then greater than equals to, less than equals to, equals to, not equals to, not equals to having two symbols. Here it is one symbol and here it is another symbol. The two symbols were using for not equals to. 10 less than 20 is a true. 10 greater than 20 is false. 10 is less than equals to 10, true. 20 is less than equals to 15 is true. So these are the different relational operator we're using. Then assignment operator. Assignment operator is used for initializing any value. So here we're using equals to, divide and assign, plus add and assign, minus and assign, multiplication and assign, modulus, which is used for remainder part, as you learn in the core Java. Is a float division, and it is an exponent design. So I'm showing you one part. C equals to 10, it is printing you 10. C plus equals to 5, it is showing you 15. C minus equals to 5, 15 minus 10, 15 minus 5, C equals to C minus 5 is 10. C multiplication equals to 2, the 10 into 2 is 20. C division equals to 2, so 20 by 2 is 10. C modulo equals to 3. Okay, 10 divided by 3, your remainder is 1. C floor division equals to 2. C, sorry, it is an exponent value, not floor division. Exponent 5 square. The C value is 5. 5 square is 25. Then C floor division by 2, it is representing you 12. Understood?
Yes sir. Sir, जो flow टा कौन टिके कहि देबे?
Floor division होचे हमें जो भी नंबर हमें डिवाइड करिवा से जो फ्रैक्शनल डेटा से ताको करिवा.
माने गोटे कोन थिबो?
हमें से हमको रिप्रेजेंट करिवो कोन? गोटे फ्लोट वैल्यू रिप्रेजेंट करिवो. तो से वैल्यूटा मते रिटर्न करिवो.
माने जारा रिमाइंडर 0 नथिबो सेई डिवीजन तो?
बस हां, फ्लोट डिवीजन. बुझिला?
आज्ञा.
Operator. Operator, it is valid if the condition are true. Or operator, if anyone is to it is true. Not operator, it is the complement value. In the case of AND operator, return you false. False, return you false. In the case of OR operator, true, return you true. True, false, return you true. False, return you false. Next, true, then false. If it is false, then it is true. Okay. One is true, then false, it is true. And both in true is false ଆସିବ और କଣ ହବ ଯଦି true ହେଲା membership operator. Next one is in, it return true if the variable is in the sequence of another variable. If your variable is present in a particular sequence, then it is return you true. Not in, it return true if the variable is not sequence of another variable. That is not in. Example is what? Now we are passing a is equals to 10, b is equals to 20. The list 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. ଏଠି ମୋର 5ଟା ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ରହିଲା ତ 5ଟା ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ଭିତରେ ମୁଁ ଚେକ୍ କରିବି a in list, a is present in the list. If it is present, then it is showing you a is in a given list. Okay, else a is not in a given list. एठी आ गोटे पास कराला b not in list, b value is 20, the 20 is present in the list. So here condition is not present, so b is not present here. So b is present here, so here it is showing you what? It is showing you false. It is showing you b is present in the given list in else block. बुझे लाइटा?
Yes, sir.
Then is operator, it return true if identity of the two operand are same, or else false. Okay, if the identity of the two operand is true, it return true. Is not return true if the identity of the two operand are not same, else false. Okay, so it is return true if the identity of the two operand are same. Is not return true if the identity of the two operand are not same. So if you write a is equals to 20, b is equals to 20, a is b, so both are having the same identity. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so A is B. So A and B have the same identity, or else they are having different identity. B is equal, A is not in B. Okay, so A and B have the different identity. That is showing you true here. Visualize point है?
Yes, sir.
Next comes to the Python comment line. Python support the two type of comment. One is single line comment, another is multi-line comment. Single line, in the case user want to specify a single line comment, use hash symbol. And if you want to give a multi-line comment, either you have to pass 3 single quotation or 3 double quotation mark. 3 single quotation or 3 double quotation if it is a multi-line comment. And now for taking a user input. For taking a user input, we're using raw input. Okay, so let's check. Input equals to raw underscore input. Here you pass any value. Suppose if you pass here hello. If you want to pass any value, name equals to, just a minute. Hello. So here we define a variable name equals to raw underscore input. What is your name? That's it. Thank you. What is your name? Suppose Pascal name is sorry. What is your name? Name is Gopal. Then okay. It is raw input is used to accept the input from the user. Okay, that is asking you to give a input from a user. The user is giving a value, then it is accepted. Bujela?
Yes, sir.
Then next comes to the conditional construct. So there are situations where an action needs to be performed based upon the condition. So this is known as conditional execution. The various conditional constructs are implemented. One is if statement, if else statement, chained condition, another is nested condition. Okay, the first is if condition that we you already know that we're using in the Java programming language. If statement, if else statement, chained condition. Chained condition means within the if you can include another if. Then next is your nested condition. Okay, so nested condition we're using here. So these are the different type of conditional construct we are using. So now I'm showing you the one example of if construct. It is a program for showing you the even and odd number. You are familiar with it, but here it is different. Remember that when you write a program in a Python, so you have to ensure for the indentation. Okay, indentation is required. ମାନେ ଆମ ଜାଭା ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମିଂ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ ରେ କ'ଣ ହଉଥିଲା ଆମେ କର୍ଲି ବ୍ରାକେଟ ୟୁଜ କରୁଥିଲେ ଏଠି କିନ୍ତୁ ସେମିତି କର୍ଲି ବ୍ରାକେଟ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ତେଣୁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆମକୁ କ'ଣ କରିବାକୁ ପଡେ ନା ସ୍ପେସ ସବୁ ଦେବାକୁ ପଡେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ସ୍ପେସ ରହୁଛି ଜେନେରାଲି ଆମର ଚାରିଟା ସ୍ପେସ ରହିବ ଇ ବ୍ଲକ ରହିଲା ଏଠି ଚାରିଟା ସ୍ପେସ ରହିବ ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ଆମର ସ୍କୋପ ରିଜଲ୍ୟୁସନ ଅପରେଟର ଆମେ ଯୋଉ ନମ୍ବର ପାସ୍ କରିବା ସେଇଟା ଦେଖେଇବା ବିଭିନ୍ନ ନମ୍ବର ତାପରେ जो नंबर टा को आमे जो नंबर टा पास करछे सेटा को फॉर्मेट रे होची इंटीजर फॉर्मेट रे ताको आमे अगेन स्क्रीन ने शो करिया पई रिलेटेड फॉर्मेट रे फॉर्मेट मेथड यूज करा जाय तो मु गोटे प्रोग्राम रन कोची तापर अगेन मु डिस्क्राइब करियो को suppose enter a number 34 so 34 is a even number suppose just a minute This line is not mandatory, but if your screen is goes up in any operating system, then the raw input you include. Screen टा हठात पळी जाउची सेट मैं raw input लिखिजे. Enter a number, suppose 45. 45 is a odd number. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Then now we go for a leap year program. So here we define a condition. You have to pass a value. You have to pass a year here. Okay, so if your year is divisible by 4, remainder is 0. If your year is divisible by 100, is equals to 0. And if your year is divisible by 400, is equals to 0, then you can say it is a leap year.
Yes.
Okay, so now we go for the example. Python leap dot py. Enter a year, suppose 1900 if I pass, so it is not a leap year. Here,
Yes, sir.
the other condition I'm showing, that is a if and else statement. Nested if condition in a So in a nested if construct, you have if and else construct. Means in a if you can include another if. Okay, so in other programming language you are using else if, but here we are using elif statement. The elif statement here we are using, not else if. Lastly we are passing else. So here it is called as a elif program. Okay, in a condition you can include another condition. So I go for this. So here we are using elif part, norm equals to 0. If you are passing a number, okay, if it is greater than 0, it is a positive number. Elif, if it is 0, then it is showing you 0. Then if you pass any other number, it is showing you negative number. So norm and pass here raw underscore. Enter a number. Suppose if I pass here 0, then it is showing you it is a norm is equal to 0. Okay, if you are passing 0, then it is printing you 0 here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next class we go for looping. Okay.
Yes, sir.
बुझिला?
सर मो ऑनलाइन रे क्लास करिले केते दिन लागिवो सरीबा पई
1 month पाखापाखि लगी माने तुम्हें अक्टोबर लास्ट सरी जाओ
ना मोर मझिरे भी अछि माने 6-7 दिन खंडे बंद हबार मोर एग्जाम अछि ना
ताले से 7 दिन एक्सटेंड हबो नवंबर हे जिवो बोले बुझिला?
आज्ञा थैंक यू सर
एक गोटा तो हिरण्य माने एटा भी WhatsApp नंबर ये पिक्चर है ना 9040